Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Hey, hey, this is not financial advice. You already know, baby. I'm here, baby. I'm here. He said, I know. He made Kenan smile. We got over 300 people here. Let's get it, baby. That's right. Look, come on now. Come on now. Let's get it, baby. I see you. You should be able to see me at this point. Let me see. Let me fix my camera and everything up real quick. Hey, just got in the building. Okay, cool. Let me make sure everything is good over on my end. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Hey, bang bang. Let's get it, baby. We here. San Antonio in the building. So you already know what time it is, baby. So we know you going to the promised land, but you gotta let us know where you from. Let's check in. I see Puerto Rico. I see you. Rep your city, baby. Rep your city, baby. I see you. DMV is in the building. We got, yeah, San Antonio is in the building. Tennessee, we here, baby. Oh, yeah. Denham Springs, Louisiana. Let's go. Let's go. I see you. We got Mexico. Boston. Said Ethiopia is in a building. Oh, yeah. London, Los Angeles. Oman, we here. New York is in a building. New York, mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let's go. Yo, Houston. Houston, we here. I see you. Texas, Nebraska, Connecticut. Oh, yeah, we here, baby. Texas, I see you. I see you. Puerto Rico is really showing out today. I see Puerto Rico in the building. Orlando. We got, yo, we in the building, baby. But without further ado, this is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven. Hold up. This song wasn't supposed to play a different song. Hold up. Let's go back to the same one. The same one that wasn't getting us copyright striked. Here we go. Hey, Singapore is in the building too. I see you. Now, we got it going, baby. Let's clap it up. Oh, no, wrong one. Let's clap it up. Where we at? Here we go. Yeah. yeah. Chattown in the kitchen. Minnesota is here. This is not financial advice. I just hope you brought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, here we go. Let's get it. You know what? Let me update and fix one thing. I like that. Here we go. If you just checking in, hit that like button for your boy. Okay. Here we go. I like that a lot. Here we go. Bam. Bow. But I'm guessing the mic is good. Everything is good. 200 likes in the building. Oh, yeah, family. And I want to give a shout out to everybody that helped me out when I was talking about yesterday. How these stocks, how some of them, particularly a banger, a beast, a big dog, ChargePoint. Family, this thing, ChargePoint. We've been looking to get into a call option on ChargePoint for so long to go on a real long uptrend, right? But this thing has been staying between, I want to say, let's call it 21, right? In the 21 range. Let's look. Consolidation. It's been downtrending a bit, but consolidation, family. It could not break into the 22s. ChargePoint. It broke ever so slightly, a little bit. But between about 19 and 22, let's zoom out. Look at this. Since about August, between 19 and 22, like it broke out a little bit once, but other than that, it don't move. I got the button now. I want to give a shout out to everybody that sent me that button for the soundboard. Appreciate y'all for that. That's love. Discord family, we in the building. Y'all know I'm about to act up with this button. I needed it. I was like, come on now. It just makes so much sense. You know what else? Pinterest. Look at this. Look at this consolidation. August, just consolidating. Look. It don't move. Come on. Lockup is today for ChargePoint. Let's see something happen, baby. Discord fam, I'm seeing is Nio short interest going up, potentially. However, just know, we in $50 calls. We looking to get a lower strike. So exit on that and get a lower strike on that. Particularly on a spike is when we want that to happen. So, Nio, let's check them out real quick. So, boom. Nio. Come on, Nio. Come get us. Come give us a little bit of an exit, baby. Come on now. Come on now. We in the building. We in the building today. And I appreciate all of y'all in here. Let's talk about it. So Nio got downgraded. Price target of 47 from 67. Yeah. Let's go check that out too. Oh yeah. So you know I got. If you wonder where that's from, where that sound is from.
Yeah. Yo, look. Now here, it don't move.
It don't move.
It don't move. It don't move.
All right, cool. Let's go check them out. Nio. Nio. Here we go. So Nio, here we go. Where we at? Price targets. Low of 47 now. See that? Let's scroll down. Upgrade. Nah. But you can see the price targets right now. 47 is the low. So still higher than it is, but not as high as it was. So let's talk about it and let's get it. CEI, this one's still flying. Yeah, I saw that in the pre-market. I saw this one running. My only thing with this one is, boom, it don't have any options. Other than that, this is a runner. Indianapolis is in the building. Let me get that clear. Shout out to T-Bone. Lucid, show you some love today. LCID. We holding strong. Keep in mind, 25 is about the resistance, or actually the support. It's a support. 27, 28 has been a resistance. So now, what I'm looking at again is, man, family, tell me the SPY would pass a breathalyzer test. I just don't believe it. The SPY, man, look at this. Whoa, look at this. The SPY, what is this? Fortune 500 companies just in a basket. You can think of it like that. Come on. It's an ETF, an exchange traded fund. But this thing has been trend, like no short-term discernible trend. Oven mitt check. Oh, I got them on, baby. You know what time it is. Let me chill. It ain't one of those days yet. It's not one of those days just yet. But let's look, because you already know what time it is. If you're looking to get into cryptocurrency, baby, Ethereum is back under the 3,000. This is when we ready to do our strike days. Bow, you strike on a specific day. How am I looking, family? Is this thing lagging? Because it looks like it's a little laggy to me. Can't tell. But I haven't heard any complaints, so we must be good. You need a massive runner. Don't we all? So charge point coming back down. Where do we like this? He said Africa. We don't miss. That's shout out to Africa. Baton Rouge in the building. Baton Rouge is in the building. I see you. But I told you time and time again, charge point. If it runs up, just let it come back down to pick you up again. It gapped up to, in a small gap, from about 19 to about 2085. And then boom, came right back down to the low 30s to bow, scoop you right up. Shout out to everybody just getting in and let me know where they from. Appreciate y'all. I see the Bronx is in the building. Here we go. Okay, Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been holding very, very strong above the $20 mark, or actually not $20, 20 cent mark. However, it touched ever so briefly into the 19s. When we see Dogecoin in the teens, this is where we really will load up on it. Now, what are we looking for today? I want to see what the SPY is going to do today. Because notice it's back under the 430 range or 440 range. It's under there now. Montreal in the building. Texas. Guyana is in the building. We here. Let's give a major salute to them. I appreciate you. Haiti is in the building. Boston, we here. Asana, let's go. Houston, Brooklyn, Oakland. Yo, come on, family. Y'all here. Let's get this money, baby. You hear my dog? Brownie, you all right? You all right, big boy? He's good. Let's look at Apple, the beast, the banger, coming to pick us up for a call. We looking for it to get to, look at this, in the pre-market for whatever reason. It must have been some huge, like just big dog, just loaded up like crazy or something and dropped it, or actually sold like crazy. People are telling me, look at DNA. Down 2%. Let's look up. Where we at? Palantir. Palantir is back in the low 27s. So look, it kind of gapped down. And I wouldn't be surprised to see it gap back up in the near future. Palantir. Honestly, though, let's take a look back. Since 29, it's been consistently stair or laddering down. Look at that. Boom. Stair steps. Boom, boom, boom. Since 29. With intraday spikes in between. In there a little bit. Let's see. Let's check out Affirm. So Royce, I know a lot of people were talking about this. Royce is basically flat on the day so far. Like literally flat. Robinhood coming down from about 46. Let's see. BBIG, yes, come back down. We want to see this back in the fives, baby. We want to see this back in the fives so it could come pick us up like we already know. Thinking of selling Nio shares and loading up. You can. I'm not selling my Nio shares. I'm just holding that. I would not sell my Nio shares. I would just straight up hold Nio. That's how I'm doing it. However, the options, I'm looking to roll out of the options and then bam, get into some better options, family. Just know that. For example, a Nio with a lower strike. All right, let's look. Let's see again. Snapchat is down. Oh, I wonder how today is going to open. We have literally 1 minute. We have literally 1 minute before the day opens. One day. Let me hit another light real quick. All right, cool. Turn my lights on. Yep, Nio, 2030 vision, baby, hypothetically speaking. So, all right, here we go. So the markets is now open. Let's take a look. What is this doing to Snapchat? It's turning Snapchat slightly green, a little bit. Let's go back up to Apple, see how it's reacting in the first 15 minutes. Slightly green. Let's go back up to all the way to Lucid, see what it's doing. Bam, runner. Let's go up and see Nio. What is it doing? Tanking? No. SPY, what are we doing? Running. Let's see. SPY gonna break over to 440 today. Let's see it. We right there. We need literally, what, 7 cents? 10 cents? Up. Come on, SPY. Now, Tesla. I know so many people have been getting in these Tesla calls for $800. Remember, get in, get up, get out. Whenever you make money on these type of things, you got to remember, something like 800 is going to be a resistance line. We want to break through it. But if you feel like it's showing weakness up there, then boom, you already know. It's time to say, okay, I made my money. If it breaks over, I'll get back in. So appreciate you for the love, family. Ken Griffin lied and said Kenan is ain't wearing any pants. You know what? Listen, the world may never, ever know. The world may never, ever know. That's one of the great mysteries. There are so many different great mysteries in the world, right? That's one of them. The world may never know. Come on now. All right, cool. So let's go back, though. SPY, are you going to have a green day or red day? I want you to zoom out on the SPY and just look at this. This is like some organic shape. Like, what is this, right? There's no real discernible pattern. What's going on with the SPY? News catalyst, family. Just straight up news catalyst. Different news catalyst, this and that and the third. So I'm hearing that Nio is coming back. Let's check it. Because you know me, I already told the family, look, I'm looking to jump out of the call. Now, when do you jump out of a call? Let me just clarify. So many people want to jump out of a call option when it's doing this. And look, when it's doing this. Oh man, it's all the way down here. You want to jump out. You still got months and months left, right? I want to jump out when I see it doing this. Especially if I feel like I need to get a better one. You want to jump out in an optimal time. So, Discord fam, what I'm about to do is I'm about to roll out of my January Nio call, $50 strike. I'm about to roll out of that and look for a lower strike. The March one, I'll leave. The January one, I'm rolling out of that, and I'm taking this green as an indicator to get up out of this. And again, it might run up. Father Time, shout out to you, big dog. Let's get it. Appreciate you for the love. I know you don't have to send it, but you do it out of love. So I appreciate you. Connecticut and building. Shout out to Connecticut. Up, short sellers must be attacking. Let me check AMC. I got to sneeze. Let's see. Oh, hey. No, we're still on Nio. Oh, got pump faked. Hold up.
Stop the cap.
Yep, there we go. Big red candle. I don't know, family. It's like I got a 6th sense or something. But all right, look. Let's go back. Nio, I'm taking this green candle as an indicator to jump out of this call for March. Now, what I could do is I could average down and then try to spike up, but I'm just going to get out of this. I'm just going to get out of this as is. So sell to close, sell to close. And again, one thing I always tell you, appreciate y'all saying bless you. That's real. One thing that I always tell you is you really got to just think to yourself, like, yo, is this going to make sense? And if it don't make sense, just let it go. Look, come on. We talked about this yesterday. Come on now. Do I still have that picture up? No. Ken Griffin. A sage, right? We're talking about a sage. Come on now. This is your spirit animal right here. Let it go. When it ain't working out, let it go. This is how you end up with options that are down 90% with no time left, right? 85% with 2 days asking if you should still hold it, right? And this is no disrespect, but this is just something that you can learn from. So now I'm out of this. I'm about to post it to the Discord, fam. Check stocks of the week. Here we go. I'm posting it to the Discord right now. Rolling out. All right, cool. Just know. Just know, family. I gotta address the Discord, fam. You know how time. You know what time it is. This is real. Some wouldn't understand, but me and the Discord fam, some wouldn't get it. Some wouldn't understand. It's deeper than rap. Here we go. All right, cool. Done. So now, family, let's have a conversation about a few things. So now, what is this? Nio. So Nio, I'm keeping them. If I didn't say that one, keep it. Let me just make sure that's absolutely clear. All right, cool. Make sure we all in the clear on that. So let's look. So Lucid is coming down, right? Let's look for another play, baby. Let's look for another play. So charge point, let's see. So all right, hold up. Oh, hey, look at this. Look at this. I might get in two with the SPY. I might try to pick this up right here for a call, but then I also might try to ride the wave down and make money on the way down and on the way up. But look at Pinterest. She's still falling. Look at this. 52. Yep. We decided to get out of that call option up here, and it just kept falling. This markets, family, we in choppy water, baby. We in choppy water. So let's see. Let's go back. Tesla. Hey, we back. Yo, let's go. Family, come on now. Tesla, family, yesterday, it got to $7.99. $7.99. Look at it today. $7.99. Yo, that's crazy. That's so crazy. Tesla, what we doing? I want you to understand this, though. If you get if you get into an option on Tesla, since the stock is $793, they are so expensive per contract that you gotta put a stop loss on it. Don't let this tank on you from a short seller attack. For example, the short sellers, they hurting right now. They've been telling you that Tesla was going to $10 for like 100 years, right? So what they'll try to do is just flood the market with all of their shares. They just go and borrow the shares up and then try to flood it and crash it right back down. So again, if you get into this, you're going to be hard pressed to find a decent one like that's cheap. A lot of them have really high prices. So then again, get in, get up, and get out. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. But again, we want to see Tesla break into the 800s, family. We would love to see it. We would love to see it. Who knew Elon Musk having a breakup was going to be a catalyst for this kind of thing? Come on now. Come on now. I'm hearing that Matic is on fire. Okay, she doing her thing. She doing her thing. Let's see what we got. October 15th calls. Let's zoom out. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. But again, the first 15 minutes of trading, crazy volatile, family. Crazy volatility. SPY look like she waking back up. But SPY is on a downtrend. SPY is on a downtrend. However, let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. So I'm going to first get into a SPY call. Or put. Let's see. Let's check out what the prices are looking like on it. SPY call or put. Where can we ride this wave? Ride this momentum down to? There we go. So let's start it off with following the momentum and not fighting it. So let's look for first a short, very short put. Potentially. However, since it's so low, let's actually zoom out and try to find the support. Let's zoom out. And let's look for a support line. What is a support line? This is where it tends to bounce off. So, honestly, the floor is kind of down here at 428. It's been kind of laddering up for 3 days and then consolidation for about 2 days and now back down in the open at least. But it's trying to show strength at this level right here of 38. Just a little bit though. Mostly selling pressure right here. So the next resistance is 440, about 440, 60. And then the next support is about between 37 and 36. 37 and 36. Brooklyn is in the building. I see you. I see you, Brooklyn. Oh. Where my shoe at? Here we go. All right, cool. Newark, New Jersey is in the building. All right. So let's see. Options. SPY. Today's the 28th. So then this will be a 1 day kind of thing. If I get into a call today on the SPY for the 29th, I would absolutely not hold it until tomorrow. It would be like I'm holding it for today and that's it. If I did a longer one, then that's a different story. Let's see, SPY. What you got for me? Where we at? What you got for me, SPY? All right. So I'm looking for both calls and puts, and I'm going to put a stop loss on each. So let's see. SPY. What's the open interest on this? High, very high. Delta, very high. Theta, very high. All right. All right, Discord fam, I'm getting in a put. I'm in a put for the SPY. However, I'm getting out of this put today. I'm not holding this put past today. I'm getting in, I'm getting up, and I'm getting out. This is for my day traders. And I'm putting a stop loss on this. And I'll show you where. Options. Setting my stop loss to Discord fam. I just posted it. Setting my stop loss to, I'm saying 1. All right, cool. So let me go in here, set that stop loss, and I'm gonna get a call. Right now, I'm up on the SPY. Let me see. And I'm going to go to sell. And I'm going to show you my stop loss. My stop. The most I'm willing to lose on this, I'm willing to play the momentum. And I'm willing to lose, what, $6? Other than that, nope. All right, cool. So right now, I'm riding the momentum, baby. I'm up big time. 13%, just all of a sudden. Let's get it. And again, I'm not holding this past today. Oh, cool. So now that I'm up like this, I'm going to adjust my stop loss. So then I could get out clean with no loss. Since it's up like this right now, I'm putting my stop loss. I'm updating it. So Discord fam, make sure you're paying attention in stocks of the week. I'm updating my stop loss now that it ran up a little bit. So now I'm going to either lock in profits or lock in zero loss. I'm going to get out clean. Or it'll be up. That's the wrong picture. Here we go. So the SPY is tanking like like crazy. I'm up 23% on this play right here, right now. Live trading right now. Like I always tell you, family, you cap your losses. I'm up 25% now. You cap your losses and you basically maximize your wins. You want your wins to be unlimited, but you want your losses to be out of this today. Here we go. And again, now that I'm up 25% so far, I'm going to update my stop loss again. I'm going to update my stop loss again so then I can lock in profit if the SPY decides to turn around. Right now I'm up 26%. So then, and again, I really hope that you're watching this, Discord fam. I keep posting to the stocks of the week. I want you to see it. Somebody said I'm up 33%. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So, all right, sell to close. I'm updating my stop loss again. I'm updating it again. Where am I putting it? I'll show you. So at least if it's tanking, like I don't have to babysit this, right? I'm going to get out with profit. And I won't have to babysit it. I could just leave it alone. And then, if anything, I could get into a call. But I won't have to babysit, and I just basically lock in profit. So I've capped my downside to get me out with profit. But my upside is unlimited. You see what I'm saying? You up 28%. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Somebody said they just sold theirs. I put a stop loss on it and I updated it again. Here we go. Riding this wave. Riding this wave. Let's get it. Oh, yeah, the Discord family growing strong. Discord family growing strong. Let's get it, baby. Somebody said they sold theirs. That makes sense. That makes sense. I'm getting out of mine soon. I'm getting out of mine soon. I ain't holding this. Nope. Nope. And to be honest, now that it's coming down so much, I'm looking for a SPY call. I'm looking for a SPY call. Let's keep it real. I'm thinking about, come on now. Hey, yep, my guy John, he said we riding the wave down. We riding the wave down, that's right. At these current levels, I'm up 29% so far. It's been what? A few minutes? It's been a few minutes. The SPY is not like these other plays, baby. You can ride the wave up and ride the wave down. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Let's get it. Again, all right, I see a lot of people are trying to get into the Discord. Shout out to my mods who are helping people to get into the Discord, by the way. Other than that, you're going to have to give me some time to help you to get in. Yo, come on, baby. We up 37%. Let's go. You make money on the way down too. I promise you, family. Look, I bet you there's a million YouTubers. Right now. The market is crashing. Oh. Big tears, right? Big tears. Guess what? Learn how to make money on the way down. And now that I'm up so much again, let me tell you again. I'm going to guarantee that I lock in even more profit. So Discord fam, pay attention to how I'm doing this. I really want you to pay attention to how I'm doing this. I'm going to modify my stop order again. And I'm going to put it way up. I'm going to modify my stop order again. And guarantee that I lock in profit. Guarantee it. And I won't have to babysit this. This thing going stupid right now. Going stupid. No, yo, come on now. Yep. Guaranteed lock in some profit. So if the SPY want to turn around on us, guess what? You don't have to babysit it. I'm not going to keep spamming the at everyone. Update it. If you want to go see what my new stop loss is at, it's in the Discord, Stocks of the Week. Notice. And now, let me explain what I'm doing right now. Because we way up on this call. Jeez. And again, this is why, like, sometimes, like yesterday, I tell you, you got to let the plays come to you. You got to let the plays come to you. I'm about to jump out of this, to be honest. If you made enough with the SPY put, it's okay to jump out. It's okay to jump out. If you made enough, it's okay to jump out. Don't get married. Don't get married. You do not have to get married, baby. Not to this. Cool 50%. Let me tell everybody it's okay to jump out because some people be waiting for me. If you made enough, jump out. My new stop loss is as increasing. All right, fam, that's my last message for you for now. Let's look for another play. I'm not gonna babysit this one. We up what? 50% on that? Come on now. Love it. I love to see it. Love to see it. Love to see it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on, Discord fam. Yo, if you in the Discord, let me know. I want to see some gorillas in the chat. If you a Discord fan member, I want to see some gorillas in the chat, baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. And let's talk about this too. Let's talk about this because I want to really make it make some sense. And notice, if this comes back up and it hits a certain point, my stop loss is going to kick me out. But I put it low enough so the volatility won't naturally kick me out, but I'll get out with profit. So let's make it make sense, right? Here we go. And again, if you made enough, let it go. Let it go. Here we go. I see some apes in the chat, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. So pay attention to this. Let's say that you bought a call option for $100, right? 100. Let's get our calculator out. Let me see some gorillas in it. Hey, Discord fam. Yo, y'all getting a Discord fam in the building, baby. Now, let me see some headphones in the chat too. I want to see some headphones in the chat. Here we go. Hey, family growing like wildfire, baby. Let's get it. Pay attention to this. So let's say you pay $100 right here for a call option, right? And then you're in it and it's winning and it's winning and it's winning, right? Let's say this thing goes up by, let's call it $20, just $20. No, let's say it goes up $50. Boom. You now got $150. Boom, you in the game. Headphones in the chat. Headphones in the chat. Headphones in the chat, baby. Now you up and you up $50. What I would do is I would put a stop loss right here at a key point. Like for example, I paid $100 for it. I went up $50. Now I'm in it for $150. Okay, my stop loss on my option, I will put my stop loss at a key point. For example, 119. If it's breaking under 119, then that means that it broke the 120 support. It's probably going to keep coming down, right? But it's going to kick me out right there, so I don't got to ride the wave down and I don't have to babysit it. But let's say that, you know what, I got my 119 support. I paid 100. I've at least locked in some profit, at least. I'm not going to lose on this play. I've at least locked some in. But it's all the way at 150. If I consider that I made enough right now, I could jump out of the play. Jump out, straight up, jump out. But let's say that it keeps going up, right? It went up 50 at first. Now it's up 70. So now you in the game for 170. You know what? You could lock in even more. So then let's say you up this to, let's call it 49. You put your stop loss on 49. Your play is at 170, but now your stop loss is at 149. Remember, you pay 100 for this. But you've increased, you kind of chased the stock, but not with buying. You chased it with your stop loss. So then, if this thing decides to crash on down and it breaks the 150 support, it's going to kick you out at 149. And then guess what? You just locked in that 49, but you locked in 149, but you paid 100. So you win the game up, up, up. And somebody saying the SPY going back up. Hey, listen, my stop loss will kick me out with profit. It is what it is, baby. It is what it is. And then we gonna get in on a call. That's how we rocking with this. We'll get in on a call. Simple as that. Simple as that. Simple as that. The stop loss, it won't work if it's aftermarket or pre-market. That don't work. That won't work at all. Just know that. But again, we don't plan on holding this till expiration. Don't. We got to ride this wave down. You got to be happy with that. You got to be happy with that. That's right. Trent, I got you, teaching you how to fish. And I want to give a shout out to my guy. Appreciate you for that. And let me check you out real quick, family. Let me check you out real quick. Good looking out. Corey, he said, got in, got up, got out. $200. 5 minutes. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Shout out to Fola Bosch, too. Appreciate y'all. Come on now. Yep, teaching you how to fish. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Get in, get up, and get out. Boom. And now, you can do the same things with all of these other plays. Come on. So now, like, this is one thing that I'm noticing, too. And I want to say, again, shout out again to all of the family. Why am I saying this? Because people will ask me sometimes, yo, Kenan, why would you cut out of a loss? Why would you cut out of a loss here or there or there or there? Notice, I just cut out of a Nio call and just used the money to make money on a spot put. But then, now we got more money than we had earlier. And now, what we can do is we could jump back in a Nio call lower with more money. You see what I'm saying? This is why it's called trading. It's not just called winning. Oh, buy it and win. You don't buy it and win. You got to play T-Bone. You know what time it is. T-Bone, let them know in the comments. We got to play offense and we got to play defense. And look, with Nio, we're looking at Nio right now. We took the advantage of getting out up here. We said, look, I see this green. I'm going to take advantage and get out up here. I didn't know it was going to fall like this immediately, but I saw the green and I said, look, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to get out of my Nio call on a spike. At a loss, but on a spike. We still had until January. But now what we can do is our January call, we can now get a lower strike. We can get a lower strike. We can let Nio come all the way down to 32, 34, and then get a lower strike. What do I mean by strike? I mean, you pick a price that you think it's going to get to, like $50 or $60 or whatever, and now we could go 40 or we could go 38 or something like that. 35, right? Get a lower strike. Offense and defense, baby. Offense and defense. That's what I'm talking about. If you watch me, how I'm rocking on here with these kind of things, you will learn how to win too. You will learn how to win too. So now, again, SPY, it pump fakes some people. Let's see if it's not a pump fake and if it wants to really come back and show some vitalization and just live again. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Now that was an easy 50%. I got my stop loss on. Way up. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. And you know what? Crazy. It's coming back down. Yo, come on. If you made enough, family, it's okay. You can jump on out. It's okay. We understand. If you made enough, it's okay, baby. But if you want to keep riding the wave down, if you want to keep riding the wave down, you could do that too. Just remember, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Lock in the profit. Lock in the profit. On any, look at this. Look at this. It's still, come on. Come on. Come on. Love to see it. Love to see it. Love to see it. Now, we can look for a potential call. All right, look. Now the SPY coming down. Yo. Yo. Come on now. Come on now. Look at that. Yo, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, SPY. Whoa. Breaking down. Right. That looked like it was a bull trap. That looked like it was a bull trap. Yep. Learn how to make money no matter what it's doing. Come on. He said, I'm not a gorilla. I'm a chimp. Come on, man. You still an 8, though. You still an 8. SPY, SPY, SPY. And again, what you're going to see is 100 different YouTubers posting videos. And this is no disrespect, but how the market is crashing, blah, blah, blah. Take all your money out the market, all this, all that. Learn how to make money on the way down. That's all you got to do. If you can't handle the heat, and again, sometimes, right, let me, where am I? Yeah. You know what? I got this and I got this. Hold up. Stop it. Stop it. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us. Let's get it. Let's go. And look, here we go. Coming back down to the support. Let's see what it does to the support. Let's see what we do to the support. Let's go. So I'm seeing that NAKD is up. NAKD. Okay, yeah. Again, remember, psychological levels. Breaking through $1 is going to be a challenge. A challenge. A real challenge. A real challenge. But if it breaks through, that's an extremely good sign. Extremely good sign, family. Okay, AMC. She's coming back down. Now, I'm gonna keep it real. I'm looking, so let's bring it back because we haven't talked about this in a long time. So here we go. Let me show you my AMC position. Because believe it or not, some of you actually have more AMC than I do, but it's not because I don't believe in the play. It's because I put in what I'm willing to watch go to zero. Straight up. Watch it go to all the way to zero. Right? So now, here's my AMC position. It's currently worth 15,000. I'm going to share it with the screen right now. I'm going to share it with the screen right as we speak. Here we go. This is my AMC position, right? So I got 400 shares. No, you can't see it. Let me X out. Let me X that one to show you my shares. Here we go. I didn't screenshot the whole thing. Here we go. So I got 400 shares. Now, I'm willing. I don't have 1,000 shares. I don't have blah, 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 1,000,000 shares. I got $15,000 worth of shares at this very moment. I'm up 40%, right? I got in at 12, and then at 50, I bought more, and then now my average is like 25 or so, right? Somewhere around there. So then maybe 24, whatever. So here we go. 400. I got 400 shares. Now, I am willing to straight up watch this $15,000 go all the way to zero. Moon or zero. Didn't overextend myself. I'm willing to let $15,000 turn to zero for the cause of AMC. For the cause of AMC. Why? Because again, so many people are getting into this play, and then they, like somebody told me the other day, like, oh, Kenan, man, I lost so much money, blah, 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 blah. Listen, what are you talking about? How are you losing money? Are you selling AMC at a loss? What are you talking about, right? You're not playing the game like us. It's like this. Imagine that we the apes, and we're telling people, look, we either going to the moon with this, or we going to zero with this. It's one or the other. They're going to have to press us all the way down. They're going to have to short ladder attack. They're going to have to do the high frequency trading. They're going to have to dark pool. They're going to do Citadel Connect, all of these things, and just drag us all the way down to zero, right? All the way to zero to try to get this to be over. And if not, we're going to still hold, and we going to the moon. That's how we playing it. Imagine somebody else is trying to play it with us, but they're not trying to play it like us. So then when you try to play our game plan, but then you playing by your own game plan, and then it don't go the way that you wanted it to go, you weren't listening to the plan up front. I'm going 400 shares. I'm going to zero with it, baby. But I tell you this, you might not want to hear this, but I hope that they drop it lower. Why? So I could pick up more. So I could pick up even more. So I could pick up even more. More. That's what I'm talking about. Come on now. You got to play. You either playing with us, like us, or you don't follow our game plan. Don't follow our game plan. Come on now. So now let's see. SPY. Yo, look at this. Yo, come on now. SPY, put, baby. Ride the wave down. No, learn how to make money on the way down. Learn how to make money on the way down. All right, cool. So now let's see. Tesla. Yo, Tesla, the puts is printing too. Family, imagine riding a put from almost $20 down. Where's the next support? It's really close. 775. 775 is the next support. Let's see what happens here. SPY is way oversold on the RSI on the 5-minute. Let's check. I'm almost scared to look. Yo, family, the RSI got to what? 9 earlier today. 9. The RSI is supposed to be, can you go over Fibonacci using SPY as an example? So Brian, do you want to see it Fibonacci on a downtrend or on an uptrend? Because then that would tell me the time frame. But here we go. So yeah, 930 is oversold. Crazy oversold. This thing got to 9. Just know though, family, I'm looking for a SPY call now. I'm looking for SPY to come down so that we can get into a call. I'm looking, come on. Support level for AMC. AMC hit 28, 30s many times and still go back up to the high 30s. Be smart. Listen, I want this thing to come down so then I can load up. So short sellers, if you watching this video, hey, it is what it is. You do what you want. I'm not going anywhere. You bring it down to $5 and watch what happens. I'm going to load the boat, baby. Load the boat. My guy Vincent, he said, I'm up 50% on SPY. Thanks, Kenan. I'm still in. Let's get this money, baby. Let's get this money. He said, let AMC go to 28. I'm straight doubling my position. Listen, we apes through and through. And again, why am I not babysitting the SPY? I told you, stop loss is on. However, just know, I might just jump out. It broke under the. Come on. Come on, look at that. Is it still good time to put on the SPY? It broke the support. That is usually an indicator. And we honestly got in before it broke that. We just rode the momentum and put a stop loss on it. If you do, put a stop loss on it. Or honestly, since it's so oversold right now, let it spike up again like this. You could get some skin in the game, right? I always tell you, if you're not sure, just get some skin in the game, right? If you got like $300, maybe put 50 skin in the game, see what happens. But you still got $250 left tucked away. Come on now. Palantir is melting. Dang, down 6%. I'm telling you, family, every time I say you could do a put on Palantir, people think I lost my mind. Look at this, family. On the 30-minute chart, have you ever seen a double top this large? Look at this. This is spanning from many days. Like from September 13th, literally half the month. Look at that. Up, down, up, down. So now we have a neckline about right here at 25. Family, if this thing break under 25, that's a huge bear trend indicator. Can you still put a stop loss on it after your order has gone through? Modify your order. Can you sell an option if there's no volume? Don't buy an option if there's no volume. Technically, yes, because there still could be open interest and somebody could jump in, blah, blah, blah. There's market makers. But don't, look, rule of thumb. If you get into an option, you want the open interest to be at minimum 1,000. You could vary on that a little bit, but 1,000, this is showing you, okay, cool, decent, right? And then you want the volume to at least be existent. You want the volume to exist. Right, somebody saying, yeah, they see a giant M. All right, let me go back here too. So if you're looking to load up on Palantir, I would say a first strike that I would do, this company is a $40 company. Don't let anybody fool you. This company is a $40 company, if not more than that, right? So, however, the stock is just crazy volatile like this. So then you think, oh, it's about to go to 40 right now. No. It's going to take its time, and it's going to get there one day. That's right. So then, look, 24. If I didn't say that, 24. So now Lucid is coming down. But again, if you don't have an established position, it's coming down to a very strong support. What do I mean by that? All right, family. So I'm thinking at this point, it might be time to go to school with the family. So look, this is the support. 24, mid 24s is a strong support. Look at this. Right here, confirmation. And look, it's coming right back down to try to confirm again. Let me just check out CEI one time. Yeah, they're doing numbers. But again, what I want to tell you is this. I didn't really get in on this one because it didn't have options. And I wouldn't establish a very large position here. So notice this. For example, this is up 24% today, right? I really want you to understand this. This is up 24% today. everybody who's in a SPY put with me right now in the comments, what are you up today? What are you up on your SPY put today? Remember, CEI, this is one of the winners of the day, and it's up 24%. If you got into the SPY put with me, what are you up on the day? On that in particular. Oh yeah, we about to go to school. So if you want to see this, you can see the power of options. It really magnifies your wins and it magnifies your losses. But you are in control of capping off your losses at a particular thing. So look, somebody said they up. Visual Anthony, he said he up 54%, 48% on it. Geo said he's negative 200%. So he's playing around. Somebody said 72%, 40%. You see? This is why I didn't really go after this one. Somebody said sold at 68%, Austin. Look, CEI, the stock of the day, one of the stocks of the day, is up less than your option. Why? Because when you learn how to, like, and this is why I always tell 70%. You see this? Got in yesterday, 300%. You see? And again, all I want to do is just educate you on, for example, why there will always be another play. That's really what I'm trying to let you understand here. There will always be another play. You might have missed out on CEI, but since it doesn't have options, you can make 24% quick, easy. Quick, easy. Yeah. He said negative 200%, but he's playing around. But yeah, you can make 24%. This is no knock on CEI. If you win this, let's get this money. Let's get this money. We get money here. We get money there. We get money here. That's what I'm talking about, baby. But again, sometimes you will miss out on a play, but then you just go find your own play. You go find your own play and go make it happen somewhere else. But I do want to give a major shout out to CEI. If this one had options, family, you would have been running up 300, 400, 500% on this. But it didn't. But all right, here we go. Let's take them back to school, baby. Let's go. Headphones in the chat. So now, what do I mean? Let's take it back to the rudimentary levels. Confirmation. What is a confirmation? A confirmation means you're looking for a support and a resistance, and you want to ask yourself, the support, how many times is it touching the support? So the support is this blue line right here. Let me take these moving averages off to clean this chart up for you. We'll come back to that. This blue line right here, I'm going to make it thicker. Let's feed it. I don't know what makes things thick, but we're going to feed it something that makes it thick. Bam, it's a thicker line. Boom. So we got this. Confirmation means it's touching here. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're coming for a fifth. So a support line is where you want to load up, right? A support line is where you want to load up, but you never want to go all in, because if it breaks under the support, this is when everybody like me, like the family who are watching this, when they say, oh, it broke the support, that's when we coming in and we going short. What does that mean? That means we trying to make it, we trying to ride the wave down because it broke under the support and it's probably headed to the next one, right? Okay, somebody said corn-fed resistance line. All right, cool. Just made 50 on a Tesla put. Let's get it, baby. Here we go. So now, that's the support. The resistance is the total opposite. If we see it come up here and break above the support, appreciate you, I got you, family. We see it break above the support, then boom, we know that this is a bull indicator. You see what I'm saying? Right? What does that mean? Not bull as in bull crap or BS. This means this is likely to, bam, go even further, because now the FOMO buyers are watching this. Everybody who's doing technical analysis is watching this. Hold up. Summon Siri. Siri, get out of here. All right, cool. So now, notice we talked about support and resistance. Let's take our support and resistance game up one level. We started this in the past. Let's reintroduce it. What am I talking about? The Fibonacci sequence. So I go to the Fibonacci, bam. I'm going to zoom out because it's best used when zoomed out. Notice, not too long ago, when was this? On the 14th. And we're going to up our support and resistance information. When you're using the Fibonacci, you click on the lowest point and then you click on the highest point too. So 1870 and then 2821. This pre-makes supports and resistances, right? Other people are looking at this too. So then retracement means we're still in the same trend. We're still in the same uptrend. However, it's going to retrace previous numbers. So, for example, We started our trend all the way down here at 1840, let's say. And then we go all the way up to 2821. Now you see it coming back down. It's retracing numbers that it's been at already. It's been there already. Now, there are 3 key levels that you want to see here. Appreciate you for the love, family. Appreciate you for that. Appreciate you for that. So now, it's retracing numbers it's been to. And again, I told you, if you remember this from yesterday, there are 3 key levels. 1,000 likes, let's get it, baby. Look, y'all showing love. I appreciate y'all for that. Now, it's retracing key levels. There are 3 Fibonacci support lines that are key. It's the 38, the 50, and the 61. If we keep bouncing off of the 38.22, which is 24.44, right? That's 38% retracement. It went up 100% and it fell down 30% compared to this trend. Notice it's confirming at the 38, which is our first key indicator. So then this is, boom, confirmation, confirmation, confirmation. We almost got 4. We're headed to the 4th one right now. If we break through it, we're likely headed to our second one, which is the 50, which would be 28 or 23.29. And if we break under that, then we'll be at 22.14. However, if we break under that, it's very likely, on a technical standpoint, that lucid, if we break under the 61.8, this one right here, let me zoom out so you can see it better. If we break under the 61.8% retracement, which is going to be 22.14, it's very likely that we are in a downtrend and we are no longer retracing. We are reversing. A retrace means we're coming down, but we're going to go back up. A reverse means, no, this is a new trend, baby. Reezy, headphones, I see you, baby. I see you. So now we want to see if this confirms again at this very strong support of 22.44 in this range right here. This is how you use the Fibonacci retracement. And you can use it exactly opposite too. Yo, look at this, family. That SPY put is print. So now we can use it exactly in the opposite way. Let's say that our trend started, let's zoom out. You could say that it started up here. But let's go on a shorter time frame just to make a point. So let's use a Fibonacci retracement and let's say, boom, we were on a uptrend from here, from the low of 428 to about 445. Now look at this. Our uptrend, we broke through our first strong support level, which is our 38. We broke through it. We broke through our 50. And we are sitting right now on our 61. We are literally sitting on our 61 point. And we want to see if this turns around. If this breaks under the 61, family, this is an indicator that, listen, SPY is still on that big downtrend that it's been on since about, let's zoom out, since about here. If we break under the 61, this is an indicator. Remember, this isn't like definite. This is technical analysis. This is one indicator. So now everybody else, remember, if you want to put on a SPY, you never ever want to go way long on a SPY put. The SPY is the beast, the big dog, the banger, the beast, the big dog, the banger. If there ever was one, right? These are the Fortune 500 companies, some of the most successful companies. So what I want you to think of now is eventually everything's going to turn around. So then you get in, you get up, and you get out on a SPY put. And then you can make more money. You can make more money again as time goes on. But we've been riding this wave all the way down. We've been riding this wave all the way down, and I love to see it. I love to see it. However, SPY is getting into call territory, family. It's getting into call territory. This don't mean you got to jump out of your put right now, but just know it's getting into call territory. And another thing I want to say too is yesterday we got into an SDC call. Was it a call or was it a put? Let me double check. I think it was a call. Let me go to the Discord real quick, family. Hold up. SDC call. We got into a call, right? But we stuck to the game plan. We were using our channels like this. On an SDC call, it appeared, I'm trying to zoom out so I can see it. It appeared right here that we caught the bottom. Got into a call, put a stop loss on it. And said, look, if it comes down a little bit, he said, Kenan, thanks for education, just hit 85% on the SPY put. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Now notice this. Yesterday, family, if you remember from yesterday, you've been watching. I put a $15 stop loss on this put. On this call option. So then it ran up, but then it started to act a little funny, right? So it's coming down, coming down, coming down. Kicked me out. $15. I lost $15. Dang, right? Lost $15. Man, that sucks. But look at this. If I would have stayed in it and been surprised, not prepared, I would have been riding the call option all the way down here. No, stuck to the plan. Stuck to the plan. Lost $15 on a call yesterday, right? Made over 50% on a put on the SPY today. Sometimes you got to listen to her. And what is she trying to tell you, family? She told you to let it go. Let it go. If it's not working in your favor, you let it go. You let it go. $15 loss, I could eat that. Because then I'm going to have cash now that I could use to get into a SPY call today and then ride this wave all the way down. And I want you to understand this. Let's say that we got into the SPY call right here, like we did earlier. I'm sorry, a SPY put. Let's say we rode this SPY put all the way down here, and then boom, the SPY just took a rocket, right? We would have got kicked off because our stop loss. Or let's say that we got into a SPY put right here, and then it turned around immediately. Guess what? We would have probably lost $15 on Monday. We would have probably lost $15 on Tuesday. But guess what, family? We have calculated losses. Calculated losses. Now, if you're still in the SPY put, notice your winning ability it's not unlimited, but it's looking unlimited. You like, yo, is this thing going to 100? Is it going to 200? Is it going to 68? Is it going to, right? But you know your limit is capped because you put that loss on it in a specific spot. And then you chase it up. Somebody said, come on now, I got you, baby, I got you. I got you. Best time for supports I don't understand the question, family. All right, so AMC going to 75 soon. I can't wait to see it. So Lucid turning around. It looks like it's bouncing off of that Fibonacci like we were talking about. But let's see. Confirmation, and then boom. All right, Tesla. Yeah, let me tell you something, family. I got in Tesla. Like, first I started getting into Tesla, the stock. It had to be like $120, right? $120 compared to where it is now. So, like, even seeing it come down to $7.95. But let's be clear. I got into Tesla. I didn't go hard. I got like a few $100s, maybe a few $1,000s in the Tesla, but I didn't go hard. I did not. I wish, because even seeing it up here at 7, and I'm still going hard. Tesla, believe it or not, family, this is worth over $1,000 in terms of the company, and they just getting it started. They're not even licensed to sell Teslas in every single state. If you want to go to certain states and buy a Tesla, you might have to drive the next state over to get your delivery, which you got to pick up. Now, somebody said Pinterest. Oh, best time to use support and calculated losses. I love it. That's right. Calculated losses. This is what I tell you. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Say it with me again. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. You want to be prepared, not surprised. So, for example, you said look at pins. There's so many different tickers. Pinterest, Pins. All right, look, notice this. Pinterest is 51, right? It's 51. Pinterest is at a really strong support. Let's zoom out. And let's talk about taking calculated risks. Let's zoom out even more. So notice, Pinterest is really getting real low. Today is the lowest it's been since about 2020. Yeah, family, Pinterest has not been this low this year. Hold up. I gotta go check. What is Pinterest on the year? That's crazy. Because, believe it or not, it's looking like back in November, it was this price. No. Okay. Yeah. Family, back in, where was it? November, it was 55, 2020. Where was it last? 51. Yeah, family. It's looking like October. October was the last time that it was basically 51. That's crazy. October, November. Yo, that's really, really crazy. That's really crazy. But we had to break up with her. You know what time it was. You know what time it was. We had to break up. We said, yo, Pinterest, listen, call us back when you getting it together. Call us back. Now, I want you to understand this. I don't know what's going on with Pinterest internally, but they have not been announcing news. They have not been announcing like a lot of news. I feel like they got like shell shock or something like that. All right, look, Nio. Discord fam, everybody else, I'm looking. Somebody said the SPY looking like it's turning around. Let's check. Because remember, is it going up or is it a pump fake again like this? A bull trap. Oh, look, we caught the bottom. Bull trap. Drop, drop, drop. But again, notice this. You can see this yourself. You see this little pool down here? It's like orange. It's like filled in with orange. This is when the RSI was over or under 30. The relative strength index was under 30. It had to turn around. It had to turn around. Stocks can't largely maintain this negative amount of momentum for a long time. It's kind of like if let's say that you and somebody else was like pushing a car backwards, right? You're pushing the car backwards. You got it in neutral. You and somebody else, and you're pushing it as fast as you could go, right? You're gaining momentum. Eventually, you got to catch your breath, right? So then that's what this is. So they pushing this backwards, like down, and they got a lot of momentum. We building up. We're going faster than ever, faster than ever. The momentum is getting crazy. You hit not your peak, but you hit a high point of under 30. And then you holding it. You maintaining it. We still go. We got this, right? And then boom, you got to cool off. So then the RSI has to cool off. But then once it gets its energy back, it could maintain this downtrend. So remember, use RSI as an indicator. Doge is in the teens range, I'm hearing. Jojo, shout out to you. All right, family, look. Dogecoin in the teens. You want to get this between 15 and 17. You could get it now. Like if your average in Doge is like, let's call it, like in the 40s and the 50s, then now would be a decent time to really load up on Doge to bring that average into the 20s or bring that average into the teens. If you get your average into the teens on Doge, and again, we're holding Doge long term. We average in, we don't go all in at once. We use strike days, but now this is the day where it's looking like a good strike. Now I'm also hearing Ethereum is crashing down too. Yes, we love to see it. Why? Because so many other people, they basically say, oh man, you got in at a bad price. Let me tell you something. If we take this back in time and let's go look at Apple, for example, let's go on the monthly chart. Every one of these candles is representative of 1 month. Let's go here. This is 2008. Let's actually go to the weekly chart. And let's go back to, here we go, 2013. Let's go to 2013. Let's go to 2012. If you bought Apple in 2012, you would have picked it up for $25, right? And then guess what, family? You would have been hurt because just 1 year later, it was $14. You got played, right? You got played. You really got played.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
You bought Apple at 25 in 2012, and then in 2013,
Stupid.
It's 14, 13. You got played. But guess what? If you would have doubled down and brought your average from 25 all the way down to 15 maybe, all the way down to 20 maybe, and you just held since 2012, family, you would have been back up in 2014. You would have been up. And then boom, from there, Apple is 150, 140. Come on now. This is a long-term banger. And you got to look at Ethereum like that too. We're going to pick people. Watch this. There are going to be people who look at this video, who knows when. And they're going to comment and they're going to say, oh man, Ethereum is now $1,000, Kenan. You was telling people that they should pick it up when it was 2,800.
Stupid.
And I'm gonna be like, I did say that, but I said we using strike days to average in. So
Stupid.
why? Because one day this might be $1,000, but in 10 years from now, family, in my opinion, guess what? This is gonna be way more than that. This is gonna be worth way more than $2,000. I'm telling you. But if you average in, you'll be all right. That's how we playing it. That's how we getting down. It's as simple as that. Simple as that. You can't tell what's gonna happen in a year. You can't tell none of that. But you know, long term, the big dogs, they're gonna have to pick this up. They're gonna need this for the smart contracts. Let me tell you, scamming is at an all-time high. Scamming is at an all-time high. But guess what helps against scamming? Smart contracts. Guess what helps against forgeries? Smart contracts. Guess what's the leader in smart contracts? Ethereum. You might want to argue that Cardano might have better smart contracts. But guess what? We don't have to choose. We invest in both. So if they both win, we win. You see what I'm saying? Come on now. Come on now. Let's get it. Let's get it. In Pinterest, listen, we wanted to pick up a call. We wanted to pick up a call and get in with you, but
Bruh.
you've been falling like a rock. Stop it. Stop it. You've been playing with us. Listen, we broke up with you. When was this? Like, not even too long ago, like 2 weeks ago, maybe a month. We had to break up, and then we see you still at your own ways. You still at your own ways. Talking about you haven't been here since what? Since freaking last year? Great. Come on now. Get out of here. Get out of here.
It don't move.
Stop. Let's go back to. So let's see the SPY. So again, like I was telling you, you see what I was saying? With the RSI, it had to cool off, and now, boom, it's coming back down. It's coming back down. But I'm looking now for a call. So I could ride the wave back up. I want to ride this wave back up. I definitely want to ride this wave back up. Where is the next support potentially? About 32, 35 could be a psychological level though. It could be a psychological level though. Okay, Nio, I'm looking to re-enter on a call with a lower strike. A lower strike. Now, man, yo, come on, look at this. Let's get it. BNGO. A lot of people are trying to play options on this. You got to wait for this one. What do I mean? Generally in the stock market, you shouldn't wait. But with options on this, you want to catch this at 5 or in the 6, right? The 6 range for puts, the 5 range for calls. And until it gets there, you might just want to leave it alone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Is SDC in a buy zone? I think in the $5 range, if you're looking to pick up a stock on it or stocks on this, they ain't bad. Ain't bad. 512 should be, or 510, 512, that should be about a support. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, the family sent me this one. Gotta appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Family sent me that. It don't move. It's as simple as that. Family, we got 800 likes. Could we get this video to 1,000 likes? Hit that like button for me. Show me some love, family. Hit that like button for your boy. Let's go. SoFi, let's check them out. And let me get rid of these old resistance lines and channels and everything. Tesla, AMC, come on here, see what we doing today. What we doing today? We sitting on the support? No, we're under it. We're under it. We're under it. SPY, still, we leave that alone. And we got charge point. Charge point is turning around. To be honest with you, family, they got some news coming out tomorrow. But it is what it is. Is a stop loss a good idea? If you set a decent one, in the Discord, I was showing everybody where I was putting mine and how I was chasing it up and not chasing the stock up, chasing my stop loss up. So as the stock went up, I kept putting just my stop loss. I would shift it. So then if the thing want to turn around on me, then boom, it is what it is. If you want to turn around on me, it is what it is. Yep, appreciate y'all for hitting that like. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got to the 1,000. Hey, family, we there. Let's give a round of applause. Flagrant elbow. The beast, the big dog. Flagrant elbow, love, family, love. Always showing love. I love to see it. So now, family, look, we made money with the SPY put. We potentially can make some money somewhere else too. I'm on the lookout. I want to get into a SPY call. But I really want you to understand, the SPY is family. The SPY needs a breathalyzer test, bro. It's that real. Because the feds and the news and everything like that, come on. I'm looking for a potential SPY call, but this could come down before it could go back up, potentially. Look at this downtrend. Look how long this downtrend is. Let's zoom out and let's put the SPY's downtrend in a channel. We got it all the way up to, let's put it in a Fibonacci retracement. Here we go. Up here to all the way down here. And let's calculate the downtrend. So now look, we almost had a reversal. So look at this. Fibonacci retracement. The trend starts up here. This is a downtrending retracement, right? We're trying to see if the trend is continuing or reversing. We almost had a reverse signal on the 24th. What do I mean by that? Every single one of these is representative now of a support and a resistance line, right? Smash that like button to 2K. Let's get it, baby. Let's see if we can get it at least to 1,500. Let's see if we get it to 1,500. Hit that like button for me. Let's see if we get it to 1,500. And while I'm doing that, while y'all doing that, listen on. So our high was about 454.50. We came all the way down to 428.86. We then retraced. We touched our 3 key points of resistance, right? The 38 on the Fibonacci retracement, the 50 and the 61. 38, 50, 61. We came here. We had a confirmation off of the 38. We fell back down. We came back up and we touched the 61.8. If we would have broke through this, this would have been more confirmation or an indicator that that downtrend was over. But look, we got rejected at the final boss, really, and then came all the way back down. So honestly, if we were looking at this yesterday, or no, even on the 27th, if we were looking at this on the 27th, oh, that was yesterday? Wow, yeah, that's crazy. But this was in the after hours. If we would have noticed this, family, we could have been riding that put, not from right here all the way down. We could have been riding that put from over here. But again, there will always be another play. There will always be another play. Just know that. Just so much dirty stuff going on. Yeah, family. Also, so I'm about to get up off of this one, right? But make sure that you go and check out my last video if you didn't watch it. Make sure you check out my last video if you didn't watch it. This one. He lied. Check this out, because I'm showing actual, and I say allegedly. And somebody tried to say, Kenan, man, why you say allegedly if you got him saying it over on tape? I'm saying allegedly, so when the feds come in, the SEC, all of these, blah, 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 I said allegedly. You know what I'm saying? You got to protect yourself, especially in the eyes of the law. Because again, they say this. They say it's not about what's right or wrong. It's about what can be proved in court. This is how the lawyers and attorneys are operating. So when they try to operate, I said allegedly, but I'm showing the car facts in the video, and it's called Ken Griffin lied under oath to Congressman Juan Vargas, allegedly, supposedly. Nobody's trying to get sued. But if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, to stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. Discord family, I see you over there. Everybody else, if you're trying to get in the Discord, I'm going to help you in there as soon as I get off this live. I love y'all. Take care.